Okay guys, I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. My brother's called me and he wants me to come over and help him remove a fuel tank and toolbox off of his truck because he's fixing to put his feed box that he feeds his cattle with on his newer truck because his older truck is falling apart. Now I'm also going to be checking the strength of some antifreeze in my tractor because we're in Oklahoma and we are starting tonight for 4 nights. We're going to be down in the single digits and the low teens. If Charlie ever makes it here she comes.
I'm Earl Dibbles Jr.
Yeah,
I'm a country boy. Of course I work hard. People don't know if I got a schedule or not, but I do. I got a tough schedule. Turn it up. I wake up, put a dip in, crack a cold one, put my boots in my overalls on.
I might tell him you're visiting.
This is the country boy song.
It's gonna be cold tonight.
I like to get frogs, like to gut hogs, like to swim in the creek with my bird dog.
Here's this one. Alright. Build a skid to set this on. Do what you gotta do. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, go ahead. Well, you got the front one loose?
Yeah, I ain't got nothing loose.
Or you did not?
No, I just have to re-get it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get down there and I'm gonna get a hold to it.
Move.
Setting on bushes.
Probably gonna set it right there, bro. Oh, no, it isn't. Is that the other one's already on?
I took it off. I can't find the nut. It's on top of that box over there. I put a magnet. I could not find the nut. I have to unload it. It might be heavy.
You wanna set it over here?
I want to set it on top of them.
Get your book, Charlie.
Ew. Huh. Yeah, that's how I feel.
We can set it off here though. Well, I ain't worried. It's like, you ain't got your oil drain, do you? We need to, like, move your pickup over a little bit. Kind of like angle it in there if you can.
Yeah, I get back.
Saying so we get,
No, I ain't got the whole thing.
that way we can move it.
That might give us a little more room.
Oh, yeah. There, push it to me.
Huh?
Just push it. There. Okay. Now we can roll it.
It rolled a lot lighter that time for some reason.
It do had in there. I got a roller underneath.
We might be able to handle it when we get it off there.
No.
We can set it on there.
Let's see. Oh, yes, you know. Might set that over here closer. I ain't gonna pull it fall off there. I might reset that roller anyway. Oh, nah. See it over there? Underneath there.
It's under there, I see it. It's got a little bit of fluid in it, don't it? Kind of walking to the edge. I think we can spin it around and let it sit on the edge and then.
Ooh, hang on a second. Ooh, you keep it down. I'll turn it direction.
A little bit.
Yeah.
thought it was.
No, we can.
Okay,
We can actually pick. Put
let's
that.
have her now.
Go put that down.
What a man.
Oh, I know.
That ain't gonna hurt.
Changing the oil. It gets dirty and it don't lubricate the engine like it's supposed to, so it gets, you change it. You put new in and put new filter on it. Oh, no, it's down there at the
I
bottom.
have enough to start it.
You gonna leave that out? Got no blow by?
Yeah, you go. That's a Chevrolet. Gasoline. Used to smoke, you ever see that? Feed truck of mine, under the hood and behind it and everywhere else. It smokes everywhere. Yeah, you got a lot of oil on my manifold.
I did. There's a half
Looks
quart.
like it's on fire.
Probably where all that oil went. I think it's all the way
Supposed
up
to
to
be
the,
halfway in the middle.
it's right there to that third dot.
Yeah, it'd be good enough.
Dad, you want to do a fit check?
Honey, I have no idea what that is. What's a fit check?
Like an outfit? Like what you're wearing? What kind of clothes do you have on?
That's a fashion report.
I have no
Sean.
idea. I
Sean
couldn't tell you.
Williams
Forsum
fashion
shoes. Forsum shoes and cinch jeans and a tidy whitey shoe shirt and I don't know, jacket to get into work. I got on, I don't know what kind of underwear I got
Well, you
on.
said tidy white. Shit, that's back
I
then.
think my drawers is probably, I don't know what they are. Fruit Loom, probably.
I don't know them fancy breeches.
No. No, I ain't got no fancy breeches.
You got a fit on. Look at that.
Don't squeak or nothing.
That's power fits.
I'm gonna go check the antifreeze in my tractor because baby, it's cold outside. Cold. If the old John Deere will run.